Friends, welcome to FreeCAD part modeling tutorial, and in this tutorial we will model the Spring Cotter with respect to drawing, and I have already modeled Spring Cotter with respect to drawing, and I will show you from the scratch how to model this Spring Cotter. So if you search over the internet you will get so many shapes of the Spring Cotter, but in this tutorial I have used the very simple one, Spring Cotter. And if you search over the internet you will also find its applications. It is something like that, inserted in the pin, so that pin should be at the resting positions, and you can see some pictures over the internet how the Spring Cotter used. So we will delete all these features and we will learn from the scratch how to model this Spring Cotter, and we will learn the new feature in a FreeCAD, which is a sweep features. We will model this Spring Cotter with help of a sweep feature. So before starting the tutorial, please like, subscribe and share my videos. And if you love my method of teaching, and if you want to support me, you can visit my Ko-Fi donations page. Link is given in the video descriptions. So let's start our tutorial. So for this tutorial I will delete the features here, and I will delete this one, datum plane, and I will start from the sketch. So I'm not going to draw this from the scratch, all this sketch. I will explain you the dimensions, and I will provide these 2D drawings in my video description so you can download and you can sketch it. If you have a little bit of a knowledge, then you can easily sketch this profile. So here is a center line of this pipe is 12.5, which I have given here. I explain dimension very quickly. So this is 12.5 which I have given here, this is 24.5 which I have given here, this is the 36.3, 53.2, 63.5 and 68, and here this pipe diameter is 4, this 9, this is 10.5, this is 5.6, and all the radiuses are 5. So you can easily sketch it with respect to this our 2D drawings. And now how to use the sweep feature in FreeCAD. So for that I will on my sketch, this is the basic sketch. Now we have to insert a datum plane. So here in part design workbench you will get the options to insert the datum plane. I would recommend you to keep on this point, which is default selected by the FreeCAD. So I will select this line and I will say OK. So I'm not seeing any error in the datum plane, so this is fine, it is perfectly placed. Now I will go on edit, and once I will refresh, if you are seeing any blue tick symbol here, go on edit and refresh. Now I will select this datum plane and I will say sketch, and I prefer to draw in isometric view, so I will draw here a circle. I will select this point and this point and I will say merge, and here we can see that our pipe diameter is 4, so I will give here the diameter constraint of 4 and I will close it, and I will hide my datum plane. So here on part design workbench, here is the option of a sweep, so I will click on it. So here is the sketch and sketch 001. Okay, so you can check here which is the sketch 001. Okay, so here is our sketch 001 and this is our base sketch. So we have to select this one, so I will select sweep, I will select sketch 001 which is highlighted here. Now I will say OK, and here on the object I will select this, And now I will hide my datum plane. So you can see that our Spring Cotter is ready, which we have made using the FreeCAD. And if you like this video, then please subscribe my channels and also visit my Ko-Fi donation page given in the link in the video descriptions, and I will come with more useful tutorial on FreeCAD as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and thank you for your valuable time.